Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever worked in Smartsheet and wondered who changed this cell, when was that row added, how can I stay on top of what's happening across my projects, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll walk you through how to use the Smartsheet activity log to confidently track all changes and user activity within your sheets, dashboards, and reports. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find, filter, and even export your activity log, so you can keep your team collaboration transparent, accountable, and totally under control. Let's dive in. First, open up the Smartsheet item you want to monitor. This could be a sheet, dashboard, or report. Have you ever noticed the little three-dot menu in the upper right corner? That's your gateway to some powerful features. Click on that menu button. Sometimes, features like these are tucked away in places you wouldn't expect, so taking a mental note of where they live can save you time in the future. Once you've clicked, look for the option labeled Activity Log. Give that a click, and you'll be brought into a whole new view that's all about tracking everything that's happened in this item. Now, what you'll see here is a clean, time-stamped record of actions. Think of it like a behind-the-scenes diary of your sheet. It's got details like when a row was added, who updated a cell, if someone uploaded an attachment, or if permissions on the sheet were changed. You'll notice each entry is associated with a specific user, so you'll always know not just what changed, but who made it happen and exactly when. This is incredibly useful in collaborative settings. Maybe your team is rolling out a new campaign and you need to audit who made edits, or you're reviewing a financial sheet and want to make sure sensitive data modifications are tracked. It's also a lifesaver if anything ever gets deleted or updated. No more mysteries or finger-pointing, just clear accountability. But with a busy sheet, these logs can get pretty long. Don't worry, Smartsheet has you covered. At the top of your activity log, you'll find filtering options. You can filter by date range if you're only interested in what happened this week or last month. Maybe you're auditing one teammate's contributions, so you filter by user. You can even filter by activity type, like only seeing permission changes or attachment uploads. This feature really helps you zero in on the data you need, saving a ton of time. For example, if you're prepping a compliance report and only need a list of who exported data in the past month, you don't have to scroll and hunt. You just set your filters and the log becomes laser-focused to your needs. Here's a neat finishing touch. You can export the activity log. This is especially handy for record-keeping, compliance, or if you just want to keep an offline backup for your own review. Smartsheet lets you download the log as a file, and from there you can share it, attach it to reports, or store it securely. If your company requires audit trails, or if your client ever asks, "Can you show us exactly what's changed this quarter?" having this export will make you look ultra-professional and prepared. So that's the activity log in Smartsheet, your hub for complete transparency and control over collaboration. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to monitor changes, keep your team accountable, and make smarter decisions with real data. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any questions or there's something you want to see covered next, just drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a Smartsheet tutorial. See you in the next video.